So a quick look into TSX Canadian stock index, weighing and showing over 250 companies listed in Toronto Stock Exchange. It was launched in 1977, and its strength is derived from so many parameters. As we look at a USD CAD price action, it's very important to look at a USD CAD. So on daily time frame, I find the structure here, a double bottom, which is a bullish price action, and a break of a neckline followed by a retest, and subsequently price kept retesting that ascending trend line, which was a technical neckline. And we have seen what it looks like. I've seen what it looks like. This is a price action, very clean and detailed. Market structure never lies. So this is a W structure, and shortly after that, you have seen the price action end the way we envisaged. So you have here as the break of the neckline of the W structure. That was the first retest on daily time frame. That was a resistance structure making the neckline, break of the neckline of that W structure, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3 on one simple ascending trend line, and retest 4. Market structure never lies. Market structure never lies. Always. It's always honest. So that's the structure of the market for now. Now, structurally, I want to see if we're going to get a reversal from the Canadian stock index listed in the Toronto Stock Exchange. It's been bullish since 2025 on one simple ascending trend line, ATL. And I'm trying to get a roof. Let me see. Let me see. I like to wait for price here on daily time frame. I want to wait for here. It's a nice place to wait for price on daily time frame. So if we get a pullback into that structure, I will wait with a buy optimism. Yes, I wait with buy optimism at that level. And that's a technical demand floor. After a rally correction, you cannot tell when the market will correct. But there is something I'm seeing at the moment. I'm seeing a partial M structure on daily, and this looks like the neckline of that M structure. So if price returns there, that could be a sell short on daily time frame. So when price push into this structure into 32772.99, look on 15 minutes, start looking for sell structure from that zone. Let me drop that note. Let me drop it. If price approach 3772, sorry, 3277.99 into 32 3257.55 on 15 minutes. Look for cell structure. Yes, that's a technique. That's the technique. So you can't just because price reach there and you just place a sell. No, you go back to 15 minutes, then look for cell structure. On 15 minutes, you'll find a cell structure. You sell from there. This is an M structure. There's a very high probability that price could draw down. And if that becomes what the Canadian stock exchange, stock index is saying, it could come back, break away from here, and return here. A technical nice floor to wait for price. Haven't seen a rally, a strong rally since 2025. A very strong rally. And let's not forget that the market structure never lies. I always say it all the time. We have a technical break of structure followed by a convenient retest. When I say it's convenient, it means it cannot be contested. If you have a divergent view, come to the comment section. Let me know. Now, let me put this reaction into context and where the buying started. And this is why it's important not to be a rigid trader. Diversify your portfolio. I know it's going to look like a jack of all trade, but you want to get into market when the price action is accurate. So if you want to buy, you want to get into a buy price action. You want to sell, you want to get into a sell price action. You can't force it. After a series of supply roof, breakout of structure followed by a retest. So that is a retest candle. Automatically RT slash SR. Breakout structure, support become resistance. Boom, we gone. In the future, that's a demand floor. In the future, never say never. Haven't seen what gold did, drew out entire gain. This is also very much possible that we could have a case like this for the Canadian stock index. Bye for now.